Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Shah and today we are going to learn creating a website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In the previous video, we had learned about HTML and we had also created a first HTML page with a title tag. In this video, let's go ahead and learn about header tags in HTML. Well, before that, I hope you all remember a HTML page structure which is similar to a human body. There's a head on the top and then there's a body section. Within the head, there are multiple things that can be included. For example, a title, a meta description, and within the body tags or the component which is actually visible in a HTML page will be added. In this video, we'll learn about the header tags. Well, the header tag will be added within the body. Let's talk about the header tag and see what and where it is used. So a header tag defines the heading of a HTML page, or a header tag defines the heading of a HTML document. Well, there are 6 types of header tags that are available, namely H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. We'll do it practically and see how they are different. Well, the HTML code remains the same and it is similar to what we did yesterday. The only difference here is we've added the header tag here, which starts with H1, which is under brackets, and it ends with /H1. In between this, there will be some component which is going to be our headline. Let's go ahead and open our code editor tool and check this out. So we'll open Notepad++ and we'll create a new page. After creating a new page, we'll open HTML and we'll close HTML/HTML. So we are opening and closing head. After this, we'll open body, we'll close body. Well, let's also add a title, if you guys remember it. We did it yesterday. HTML head tag. Let's name the page title as HTML head tag. Now we'll create a HTML header tag. So we'll start with HTML head1 /h1. Let's close it. In between, let's give it a headline. I am learning HTML headers. Well, let's go ahead and save it. I will save it on the desktop. HTML-headers.html. Let's save it on the desktop and see how that will look like. Well, here's the page. We'll open this page using a web browser. So there's a headline that is added. So for the first time, we've actually added a content on the page. Whatever you write in the header tag, it appears here as a headline. Now let's test out the other headers that we have. So we had H1, we also have H2. So if you're opening H2, we'll have to close H2 as well. /H2. Wait, now let's save it. Here, let's refresh it. Look at that. So we had added in the header 1 we had added I'm learning HTML header H1. Here it says I'm learning HTML header H1. In the second line or header 2 we had added I'm learning HTML header H2. So the next line says I'm learning HTML header H2. So the only difference is the actual size. So header 1 tag is used for defining the actual headlines of a page, of a HTML page. H2 tag can be used to define subheaders of a HTML page. Similar to this, we also have H3, H4 and we have it till H6. I've added HTML H3, let's refresh the page. Alright, so HTML header H3 is little smaller than H1 and H2. Similar to that, we'll have H4 as well. Saved it, I'll refresh it here, HTML H4, cool. Well, similar to this, we have headers till H6. Let's refresh it. Alright, so the only difference that you can see here is the size of the headers. Well, H1 being the biggest, or it has the largest font, H6 being the smallest, or it has the smallest font. Well, majorly we make use of H1 or H2. H1 is used to define the header of a page, and we use H2 to define subheaders. If you need smaller text or smaller characters, you can make use of H2, H3, H4, or H5 and H6. Well, this depends on the usage and what is the font size that we are looking forward for. Well, with this, we've learned about header tags in HTML. For now, that should be it. I'll be back tomorrow with a new video, and we'll learn about a different tag in HTML. Have a good day, take care, do subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions or queries, please go ahead and post that in comments. I'll be happy to answer it.